You don't do. I prefer moving trees rather than cutting them. This machine, manufactured by Dutchman Industries, helps a lot. We're going to see a tree preparing to be relocated as opposed to being cut down.
You may like this one.
I love it already. This is, oh, baby.
Whoa.
Oh, baby. I'll take it. I'll take two. Look at how smooth. Oh, I might need to do this. I might actually have.
got trees?
I might need to do this. I mean, I'm not going to buy the machine, but I need somebody who has this machine.
Yeah. Oh, and then look, he puts it in place. What? And I'm guessing cutting off the roots doesn't. You're still good with the tree?
Well, you have the major portion of the roots because of the shape of the scoop.
I'm guessing this is still like.
Then they can re-engage.
Well, it's not a young tree, but it's kind of engineered to
for a certain age group. Yeah.
But it also digs the hole too, right?
And so smoothly.
Yeah, to put it back down. I know.
And it's
like nothing.
size.
It's like nothing ever happened.
Yeah.
Okay. Some caveats. You need a tree that's in a location this truck can easily get to. You see how everything's really flat here? There's a lot of tree locations that this is probably not going to be ideal for. Hello Kitty update. Hello Kitty communications director notes that Hello Kitty has no mouth, so people can project their feelings onto the character to be happy or sad together.
Wow.
Hello Kitty has no mouth because that's where the emotions are, I guess. That's why you said Meta's logo is sad. It looks like a frowning mouth.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, that was just a quick update. That's the community right there coming through for us.
Of course.
Will, get out of there, Will. Get out of there, you. I love it. I'll take two. That thing probably costs, what do you think? A couple $100,000 at least.
No.
Oh, yeah. What do you think?
Say like
for the device, I'm saying, to own it.
$50K.
Oh, get out of here.
His Tesla.
Get out of here. You know how much money you could make relocating trees?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Think about how much you could bill each time. Dude, you'd be amazed. Like sometimes I would have a tree. I got a tree that got hit by lightning.
Yeah.
And it was dangerous. It was going to go over. We had to get it cut down because it was like hanging by a thread. The main big tree I'm talking. I don't remember what I paid, but it was way more than you think it would be just to get the tree cut down. Well, some people would be like, just cut it down on your own. But obviously,
but this is relocating. This is
look at
better
this. We
than
can buy
cutting
it. We can buy. Dutchman Industries sold.
We can buy.
They're being sold out of Pickering, Ontario.
Pickering.
I mean, I don't want to call them up, and I don't know that we can. I don't know if they're going to put the price online there. And there's different sizes. Tree spades. Go to used. Prices in US dollars. Go. They say prices in US dollars. And
These are not the ones, though.
Not the one. They're close. I mean, they're not as pretty. They're not as big as what we saw before.
Let's try this one.
Call for pricing. Yeah. Of course you're going to do that to us. How dare you.
I think it's around. It's not over 100. I don't.
Well, you need the truck too, though. Like it was a specialized.
Well, yeah.
It was a. Well, what do you mean? The way it got lifted up onto the truck was a specialized.
I thought you were
method.
talking about the mechanism.
Well, I don't have a truck. I need the truck too, Will. I can't. Or a tractor, I guess.
A Caterpillar.
This guy has it mounted on the front of a tractor. I guess but it depends also on the size and the size of the tree you want to do. So, anyway, you thought I was just going to put it on the Raptor?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.